Yun, thank you sa mga nag-pray. Sana magtuloy-tuloy. Ang ganda ng weather. Yung emotions ngayon medyo weird. Hindi ko ma-explain eh. Yung parang may butterflies dito sa tiyan ko eh. Dito na yung ano ko, baho ko. Andito na. Wala na atrasan. Pero ano naman, happy and excited. So, can't wait to see yung look ni Lois.
Tunay po ba na si Ed sa ikalawang pagkakataon ay walang dahilang sukat makapipigil sa kanyang hinahangad na pag-iisang dibdib para kay Lois?
Kasi nung first nakasalamin, naluluha na siya. Pinipigilan niya lang. Ewan ko mamaya kung anong mangyayari.
I still remember the very first time you said hello to me. In that moment, I felt something I'd never felt before.
Yung life pwedeng maging rough, may mga challenges, merong ups and down. Tandaan nyo palagi yung first time na nagkita kayong dalawa. Kasi yun ang magbibigay ulit ng kindle doon sa relationship at saka sa love na binuo nyo.
Babe, here we are, finally.
You look great, man.
Yeah, you look
Thank you.
great.
Thank you.
Okay?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, give your mama a kiss.
I don't
Pasok.
want to cry.
Pasok, guys.
It's been quite a journey to get to this moment. And as I stand here with you, I can't help but reflect on how our love story is a testament of God's perfect timing.
As now we welcome in the new Mr. and Mrs. Ed and Lois Aldea.
In you, I've found my hope. The one person I can trust completely, who sees me as I am, and who loves me just the same.
Your laugh, your smile, and the way you look at me. These are the moments that make me fall in love with you over and over again.
You know, I'm not the most patient person.
Akala ko kasi talaga walang tatagal sa akin. Alam mo yun, kaya niya yun sabayan eh. Kaya niyang i-tolerate in a sense. So sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga na ganun siya.
When I fall in love, 모르겠어 언제부터 나도 몰래 숨겨
You are my forever, and I vow to love you with all my heart for all the days of my life. And as we dream of the future, I pray that we'll stand together and witness the beauty of Swiss Alps next year, creating even more precious memories that will last a lifetime. I love you eternally.
I fall in love, 우린 사랑할게 당연
Buong kagalakan ko po sa inyo pinakikilala ang muli pong bagong kasal.
너에게 그나마 힘들게 어느새 I fell in love with you I fall in love I fall in love 어느새 I fell in love with you.
Thank you, Ma. This is it. This is the day. So, wish me luck.
Yeah, good luck.
Buong puso po ba ninyong ipinagkakaloob ang inyong anak na si Ed para kay Lois?
When I was younger, I would attend weddings like this. I always find myself wondering, how do they know that's the one? But for me, it was simple. You'll just know. It's a love that feels secure, with no trace of fear or doubt. It's a kind of love that you would want for the rest of your life. In a world that rushes for instant everything, I'm glad I choose to wait. Because waiting for you was worth it. You are worth it.
Celebrating our love and marrying you twice in a year was an absolute dream. I pray that we never take this for granted, that we treasure it, nurture it, and use it to reflect His boundless love.
Ten years before, nagkakilala na kami. Baka hindi kami magkagustuhan.
But for this love, I chose to wait patiently.
So, very perfect yung timing ng kung kailan kami nagkakilala. Kasi feeling ko by that time, ready na kami na magustuhan namin yung isa't isa.
Trusting in the Lord's plan to bring me the one that He prepared for me. And He brought me you.
Sabi ko nga sa kanya, ikaw yung perfect na pinag-pray.